Current Affairs 9 June 2021. Which mission has been launched by India to promote in the field of energy? A. Jal Jeevan Mission. B. Innovation Clean Tech Exchange. C. Mission Shakti Program. D. National Health Mission. The answer is B. Innovation Clean Tech Exchange. India launched a global initiative, Mission Innovation Cleantech Exchange, which will create a network among member countries to accelerate clean energy innovation. Which country's foreign minister, Sahib Abdullah, has won the election of the president of the 76th session of the United Nations General Assembly? A. Bhutan, B. Pakistan, C. Maldives, D. Bangladesh. The answer is C. Maldives. Maldives Foreign Minister Abdullah Shahid has been elected as the President of the 76th General Assembly of the United Nations. His term will be 2021 to 22. Under which scheme the central government will support children who have lost both parents due to COVID-19? A. PMJDY, B. PMJJBY, C. PM Cares for Children, D. Pradhan Mantri Shishu Suraksha Yojana. The answer is C. PM Cares for Children. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has announced that children who have lost both parents due to COVID-19 will be looked after and assisted by Government of India under the PM Cares for Children scheme. After the meeting of the Monetary Policy Committee of RBI held in June 2021, what is the repo rate fixed? A. 4%, B. 6%, C. 8%, D. 10%. The answer is A. 4%. The six-member Monetary Policy Committee of RBI, headed by Governor Shaktikant Das, has held the benchmark interest rate unchanged. The repo rate has been kept at 4% and the reverse repo rate at 3.35%. The editor, founder, and veteran White House journalist of Indo-American Dialogue Committee has passed away. What was his name? A. Shivesh Bharati, B. Amit Banerjee, C. Shankar Shah, D. Tejinder Singh. The answer is D. Tejinder Singh. Which state government has launched Mukhyamantri Anupriti coaching scheme for economically weaker SC/ST and most backward class students? A. Bihar, B. Punjab, C. Delhi, D. Rajasthan. The answer is D. Rajasthan. Rajasthan government has started Mukhyamantri Anupriti coaching scheme for economically weaker SC/ST and most backward class students. Under this scheme, such students whose family annual income is less than 8 lakh per annum, they will be able to prepare under the Mukhyamantri Anupriti coaching scheme. In collaboration with which company CBSE has introduced coding as a subject for students? A. Intel, B. Infosys, C. Microsoft, D. Dell. The answer is C. Microsoft. Which Indian public sector enterprise has become a signatory to the UN Global Compact CEO Water Mandate? A. ONGC, B. NTPC, C. Indian Oil Limited, D. BHEL. The answer is B. NTPC. State-owned power sector major NTPC has become a signatory to United Nations Global Compact CEO Water Mandate. It is a United Nations initiative to make efforts by companies for better management of water and sanitation. AMB is a nanofiber based tablet developed by IIT Hyderabad to treat which disease? A. Malaria, B. Dengue, C. Kala Azar, D. Japanese influenza. The answer is C. Kala Azar. Kala Azar, also known as visceral leishmaniasis, researchers at the Indian Institute of Technology, Hyderabad, have developed a nanofiber-based tablets of amphotericin B called AMB. SAGE, Senior Care Aging Growth Engine, is an initiative of which central ministry? A. Ministry of Women and Child Development. B. Ministry of Law and Justice. C. Ministry of Minority Affairs. D. Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. The answer is D. Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Social Justice and Empowerment Minister Thawarchand Gehlot virtually launched the SAGE initiative, which can be used by elderly person for products and services. Thank you.